Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto praying. So we accept my Smith-Morra. No. Doesn't want to give a massive initiative for some reason. Potentially. So we have this position. Is he not? Okay. Here, if he takes, rather than me having to nanny an isolate queen's pawn, this might be interesting. So which GM is this? Peter Michalek, Czech Republic GMs. Okay. Basically forced to do this now. Looks like a reasonable position. Of course I can't play e4, can't play d4. You can play it now though. And this is knight d4 and queen c5. That looks as though it's too dangerous for me to play that. I get my king out of here. I think he might have had that idea. More tactical liabilities. Are we done with the tactical liabilities or not? Is that e4 now? It's provoking this, of course. Question is, can I make anything out of it? Bishop d3. Get a knight to d6 or knight e4 maybe. This does seem to be winning a pawn. Queen d3. Yes, I'm just the pawn down, and there's threatening knight b2. It's not entirely clever, I know. I mean, queen b3 in the circumstance. And he wants to start on e4, isn't he? He's not going to allow knight d6. Is he? Maybe he does. Takes on e4, yeah. Right, is it 100% clear? If I play b5. Maybe d5 and just try and... Oh, he's just simply going for that. Another pawn. Oh, crimey. Alright, I have to try and get some light square play, maybe with e6, breaking through with e6. There was a Magnus Carlsen game recently in the Olympiad. He managed to make the most out of his light square bishop, breaking down this diagonal. Is that going to happen here? have a little bit of something going on. A little bit of naughtiness with rook d7 and knight e6. Or not. Ah! Now my back row is weak. Great. Is rook g7 for knight e6? Is that too slow? I'm just losing all my pawns here. Ah. I don't like this at all. Of course, he just munched me to death, basically. Starting with pawn earlier, and there's nothing. Where is that? Check. Check there.
Check. Check.
I'll protect my second rank or not. This knight's going to be lost. Maybe there's g4. No, the knight's trapped now. And give it g5. Fight on a bit, not more. Okay. Nf3 g4 plan. Try and mate him. Fight on a bit more. d6, friend. I've got to keep the knight on. This is looking hopeless. Nevertheless, knight f4. Get him down to 30 seconds. Worrying about this. Knight f4 is actually threatened.
Check.
Isn't it? Interesting.
Time. Check.
Yes, I think I'm convinced now that there's nothing. Oh, that was just horrible. That's how... Yeah, did I have any choice the way he played it? He played this waiting move. I didn't really want to play CD. But what else is there? This is worse. This is going to take here. That can't be anything. Basically going into a bad IQP. Oh, Queen E4. Not Queen E3, Queen E4. Yeah, okay, okay. What's the idea of Queen E4 exactly? What would be? Okay, this actually wasn't too terrible here, but he has got access to B4, so this is quite dangerous. This knight its roots are kind of prone to be. I'm just being skyped a bit. Alright, so already that's bad because again I'm fixing the root of the knight. It's not firmly. It's going to be uprooted. So basically, let's have a look. Knight E4 instead.
Check.
This was fine to just weaken him on the light squares. Yeah, it looks a lot more solid. I've basically, my knight is prone to just being uprooted here. Yeah, it's getting to the roots of the knight already. It's bad. That's interesting. That this is just bad. The roots of the knight is just uprooted. Better for black, and he can even take here. I don't know what I'm doing with that knight. It's an Achilles heel now. So that's how the rot started, and then unfortunately, maybe this is why he's so high rated. But unfortunately, yeah, this fault canal gives him time to do this.
Check.
Great game by him. Great game. Thanks. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.